Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is determinants and subtopic is minors, cofactors, and Laplace expansion. Objectives are Laplace expansion, determinant of a 3 by 3 square matrix, minors and cofactors of a 3 by 3 square matrix. Okay, we go to the recap. What is the determinant of 2 by 2 square matrix? What is the determinant of the 2 by 2 square matrix? Before classes, we know that A, B, C, D. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. How can you determine A into D minus B into C? How can you write this one? AD minus BC. How do you represent the determinant of the 2 by 2 square matrix? You see here A, B, C, D. How can we represent the determinant? Symbol is you have to write this way A, B, C. This is also meaning of determinant. If A equal 4, 3, 5, 7, then its determinant is. How can you have the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix? You see here 4, 3, 5, 7. Write this symbol is equal. We know that what is the formula AD minus BC. Now right here, what is the A value here? 4. What is the B value here? 3. C value is 5. D value is 7. So that we write here AD 4 into 7 minus 5 into 3. We get 4 into 7, 28 minus 5 into 3, 15. 28 minus 15, we get 13. A matrix is only an array of numbers and not a single number. But with each square matrix, we can associate a real number is called the determinant of the matrix. Once again, listen, a matrix is only an array of numbers and not a single number. But with each square matrix, we can associate a real number is called determinant of the matrix. Now, the determinant having the same elements as the square matrix, A is called the determinant of the matrix and is denoted by the symbol. You see this one? Symbol, determinant of A or det of A or delta. Both are same. Okay, both are denoted the defined determinant of the square matrix. Once again, the determinant of having the same element as the square matrix is called the determinant of matrix and is denoted by the symbol determinant of A or det of A or delta. Determinant of a square matrix is unique. Determinant of a square matrix is unique. Now we find out the minor of an element of a 3 by 3 square matrix. In a square matrix, the minor of an element is the determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting the row and column containing that element. Thus, if A is equal A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, then the minor of A1 is, you have to write here, B2, C2, B3, C3. Then you have to neglect the minor of A1 mean, you write, you see here A1, B1, C, A2, A1, A2, A3. The column and corresponding row row and the corresponding column are neglected. Then remaining we have to write B2, C2, B3, C3. B1, B2, C2 and B3, C. The minor of A1. Whenever we write the minor of A1, the corresponding row and corresponding column are neglected. We write B2, C2, B3, C3. Then we find out the determinant B2 into C3 minus B3 into C2. Once again, I repeated you. In a square matrix, the minor of an element is the determinant of the matrix obtained by the deleting the row and column containing that element. Then minor of A1 is B2 C3 minus B3 C2. You see this example 1. If A is equal 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9, then minor of 4. You observe here the minor of 4. Where is the 4? The 4 is available in first row and second column. First row and second column. When we find the minor of 4, the corresponding row and corresponding column are neglected. The remaining element we write 2, 8, 3, 9. Then we write 2 into 9. 2 into 9. AD minus BC. 2 into 9 minus 3 into 8. What is the value of 2 into 9? 18 minus 24. We get 18 minus 24 is equal to minus 6. Once again I repeated the minor of 4. How can we find the minor of 4? Where is the 4? The 4 is available in first row and second column. So the corresponding row and corresponding column are neglected. The remaining elements we write 2, 8, 3, 9. 2, 8, 3, 9. Find the determinant 2 into 9 minus 3 into 8. We get the result is minus 6. The example 2. If A is equal 5, 6, 7, 1, 4, 3, 8, 5, 2, then the minor of 7. Minor of 7. How can we find the minor of 7? The 7 is available at the first row and third column. First row and third column. So that the corresponding row and corresponding column are neglected. The remaining element we write 1, 4, 8, 5. 1, 4, 8, 5. Now we can find the determinant 1 into 5 minus 8 into 4. We get 1, 5 minus 32. We get minus 27. Next one, cofactor of an element of a 3 by 3 square matrix. 3 by 3 square matrix. Cofactor of an element is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j, minor of that element, where I is equal row number containing the element and j is equal column number containing the element. The cofactor of an element is usually denoted by the corresponding capital letter. Once again I repeated you. How can we find the cofactor of an element? Cofactor of element is equal minus 1 to the power of I plus j. I plus j. I denoted rows and j denoted columns. You see this one. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. If A is equal A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Row number 1, I. The row, how many rows are there? 2 rows. Then column number J is equal to 2. Where is the B2 value? The B2 value is available in row number 2. Column number 2. You observe here, B2 where? B2 is available at row number 2 and column number 2. Here, the cofactor of B2. Cofactor of B2 is equal minus 1 to the power of, where is B2? Okay, row number 2 and column number 2. So that we write minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into minor of the element. Minor of the element, where is my B2? The corresponding row and corresponding column neglected. The remaining element A1, C1, A3, C3. A1, C1, A3, C3. Now we find the determinant A1 into C3 minus A3 into C1. Next, we write example 1. If A is equal 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9, then the cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4. How can we find the cofactor of 4? What is the formula? Minus 1 to the power of I plus j. Here 4 is available at first row and second column. First row and second column. So that we write here 1 plus 2. Where is the 4? 4 is the first row and second column. 1 plus 2 and minor of the element. The corresponding row and corresponding column are neglected. Remaining element 2839. 2839. Now write 2839 means we write AD minus BC. Then write minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 means 3. 2 into 9 minus 3 into 8. 2 into 9, 18 minus 24. Minus 1 into 18 minus 24 minus 6. We get minus 1 into minus 6 is equal to 6. Next, example number 2. If A is equal 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 2, 3, 1, then cofactor of 3. Where is 3? 3 is cofactor of 3. Here observe here cofactor of 3 here also there. The first row and third row also available. So that we write cofactor of 3. We see here only this one. Cofactor of 3 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus I plus j first row and where first column. First row and first column minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. Then write 1 plus 1. Here some mistake is there. Now example, solve for x. Solve for x if 2, 3, 5, 2x 5, 3 minus 1, 2 is equal to 0. Now we find the solution. Given that 2, 3, 5, 2x 5, 3 minus 1, 2 is equal to 0. Expand the first row. We get 2 into, we have to take here 2 into, then write the corresponding row and column neglected, remaining x5 minus 1 2, x5 minus 1 2 minus, then this element we write minus 3 into the remaining corresponding row, column neglected 2 5 3 2, 2 5 3 2 plus 5 is plus 5 into the remaining the corresponding row and column neglected 2x3 minus 1. Then write here 2x3 minus 1. Here x is there, one mistake is there here. Now write that is 2 into 2x plus 5 minus 3 into. Now we can write here AD minus BC, AD minus BC, then AD minus BC. Now we write 2 into 2 4x plus 2 into 5 10 minus 3 into 4 10 12 and minus 3 into 15 45 and 5 into minus 2 minus 10 5 into minus 3 minus 15x is equal to 0. That is minus 11x plus 33 is equal to 0. Then x value is minus 33 by minus 11. We get 3. Now we go to the expansion of a determinant of a order 3. A third order determinant can be expanded in terms of any row or column. Let delta equal A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. Now we write expanding by first row. How can we find the expanding by first row? Delta is equal A1 into B1 C2, B3 C3 minus B1 into A2 C2, A3 C3 plus C1 into A2 B2, A3 B3. Now write delta is equal A1 into B AD minus BC. Here also B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 into A2 C3 minus C2 A3 plus C1 A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Here delta equal A1 alpha A1 B1 B1 and C1 C1, where A1 equal cofactor of A1, B1 equal cofactor of B1 and C1 equal cofactor of C1. How can you find the cofactor? Minus 1 to the power of I plus j. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. We get B2 C3 minus B3 C2, A2 C3 minus A3 C2, A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Similarly, delta equal A2 B2 B2 C2 C2, expanding by second row. The same way expanding by third row means A3 A3 B3 B3 C3 C3. Expanding by first column also A1 A1 A2 A2 A3 A3. and expanding by second column also B1 B1 B2 B2 B3 B3. Expanding by third column also C1 C1 C2 C2 C3 C3, where AI BI CI are the cofactors of the corresponding elements AI BI CI respectively for I equal 1 comma 2 comma 3. So that here we have to find out expanding by any row or any column, we get the result is equally. Next, we go to the Laplace expansion. Therefore, the sum of the products of the elements of any row or column with the corresponding factors is equal to the value of the determinant. These expansions are known as Laplace expansion, named after the French mathematician Pierre-Simon Marquis de Laplace. Okay, Pierre-Simon Marquis de Laplace. Remarks: the sum of the products of the elements of any row or column with the corresponding factors of sum of the row and column is 0. In general, AI AJ, BI BJ and CI CJ is equal delta when I equal to J, and also 0 when I is not equal to J. Example to find the value of determinant by using Laplace expansion. Consider delta equal 1 minus 3 2, 4 minus 1 2, 3 5 2. The cofactors of the elements of the first row are, okay, the cofactor of 1 is minus 1 to the power of first row, 1 plus 1 into minus the corresponding row and column neglected, minus 1 2 5 2. We get minus 2 minus 10, we get the result is minus 12. The cofactor of minus 3 we get I minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, 4 2 3 2 equal minus of 8 minus we get minus 2. The same as it is cofactor of 2, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, we get the result is 23. The first row is completed. Next, by Laplace expansion of the first row, we get delta equal 1 into minus 12 plus minus 3 of minus 2 plus 2 into 23, we get minus 2 plus 6 plus 46 is equal to 40. Similarly, the cofactors of the elements of the second row are cofactors of 4, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 we get 16. Cofactor of minus 1, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, and remaining we write 2 minus 6 we get minus 4. Cofactor of 2 also we get minus 14. By expansions of the second row, we get 4 into 16 minus 1 into minus of 4 plus 2 into minus 14, we get 40. Similarly, the sum of elements of a row 1 multiplied by the cofactors of the corresponding elements of the row 2 is 0. As we can see below, 1 into 16 plus minus 3 into minus 4 plus 2 into minus 14 is equal 16 plus 12 minus 28 equal to 0. Now we see the shortcut method to find the value or determinant of order 3 due to Saras. Consider delta equal AHG HBF GFC. Write the 3 columns and repeat first 2 columns and draw the arrows diagonally as shown below. So this one AHGAH. Summary. We have discussed about minus and cofactors of elements in third order determinant. Laplace expansion to find the value of determinant. A shortcut method to find the value of determinant of order 3. Quiz. The factor of an element in a determinant is the first option, the minus 1 to the power of I plus j minor of the element. The B1 minus 1 to the power of I minus j minor of the element. The third one is 1 to the power of 1 plus j minor of the element. D is none. What is the answer here? minus 1 to the power of I plus j into minor of that element. Second question. The expansion delta is equal A1 A1, B1 B1, C1 C1, where capital A1, capital B1, capital C1 are the cofactors of small a1, small b1, small c1 respectively, is known as Newton's expansion, Laplace expansion, Cramer's expansion, Leibniz expansion. What is the answer? Laplace expansion. Laplace expansion. Third question. The value of the determinant 0, b minus c minus b, 0, a, c minus a, 0 is, first option is A, second option is B, and third option is C, and D is 0. How can we find this one? We using the determinant format. Okay, 0 into multiply, the corresponding row and column is neglected, remaining right minor of the element. 0, A minus A, 0. And also we write second element B, the corresponding row and column neglected, we write minus B, A, C, 0. And the remaining minus C is into the corresponding row column neglected, minus B, 0, C, minus A. What is the answer we get here? 0. 0 is multiply, anything will be 0. Next, we go to the assignment. Find the factors of the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 1, 0, 6. Find the factors of the elements. You have to find out cofactor like that. Cofactor of 2, cofactor of 3, cofactor of 4, cofactor of 5, cofactor of 7, cofactor of 9, cofactor of 1, cofactor of 0, cofactor of 6. The second question, evaluate 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 1, 0, 6 using Laplace expansion. How can we find the using Laplace expansion? It is nothing but find out the determinant. That is 2 into the corresponding row and column neglected 7, 9, 0, 6, and the remaining 3 into 5, 9, 1, 6, and 4 into 5, 7, 1, 0. In the place of plus, we take the first one is plus, minus, plus, using the cofactor of, that is minus 1 to the 4 of I plus j into minor of that element. Find the value of x if 1, 2, 3, 2x, 4, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 0. Okay, how can we find this one? Using the same process of determinant. Using the same process of determinant. 1 into x 4, 5, and we take the minus 2 into the remaining, we have to take the corresponding row and column are neglected, the remaining 2, 4, 3, 5 minus plus 3 into the corresponding row and column neglected, the remaining we write 2x 3, 4. Then after that we have simplification is equation format is equal to 0. We find out the value of x. Okay. Thank you. And thank you very much.